Alright, so I wanted to show you guys some of the seeds that I'm going to be starting today. I'm trying to like plant a bunch of stuff that's like with colors because I want to have a colorful garden. Um, and so I bought a bunch of these like red and purple plants. Some red salad bowl lettuce, some red romaine lettuce, some Lola Rosa lettuce, some early purple sprouting broccoli, some Hopi red dye amaranth, and there's no way that I'm gonna try to harvest those amaranth, but I guess like the bees like it and stuff, so I'm just planting it to attract them. Some ruby red orac, I don't know how you say it. And then some rainbow blend Swiss chard, some kale, what's this one? Scarlet kale. I'm really excited about these. Purple beauty peppers. And then for some flowers, I'm gonna do the dwarf dahlias, the polka dot cornflowers, some, I don't know how you say it, chabad carnations, some Swiss giant pansies, and some Helen Mount Johnny Jump Ups. And then also going to start a batch of just like a bunch of different peppers. I've got this pack that has a bunch of them in it, 10 pepper varieties. You can get these on Amazon. And tomatillos. I'm not gonna start my tomatoes yet. I started them a little bit early last year, and they got too big, and I was just like really excited to get going, and then I ended up having to buy tomato plants because they got so big that I like had to put them outside, and I had to try to start putting them outside, and they like died really fast. Hopefully I don't have those same problems again this year. The peppers that I have growing right now are like, if you can see, they're getting a little bit too big. I gotta figure out how to like set up these lights so that I can fit some bigger plants in here. And then I kind of like changed up my little growing station over here. So now I've got 3 units and 2 rows on that side. So I can start 6 trays on heating pads, and then once they're ready, then I move them outside. So that's what I've got going on. It's kind of like taken over my living room, as you can see. I didn't mean for it to do this, well, at least like with all the seeds and all the hydroponic stuff and the peat pellets and all the trays. Like, I could probably go out in my greenhouse and do that, but it's kind of cold out, so I might as well just stay inside and do it. Anyway, that's what I'm working on. And this is kind of an exciting thing. I got this like device that makes it so that the camera will follow me when I'm walking out in my garden. So I can, I don't know, do videos where I'm moving around, I guess. So that's kind of an exciting new thing. For Urban Homesteads of Compton. I got it for $15 on Amazon. And I don't know, it'll be nice because I don't have to like move the tripod around. I keep looking down because there's the motion detection camera down there, and so I think that that's the camera that I'm supposed to be looking at, but it's actually up here at the top of the screen. Getting used to it. I'm new to filming. Anyway, it's March, so get started. You can grow all kinds of stuff right now. Like, get started on your garden. As soon as I get all of these planted in their trays and stuff, I'm gonna start going through my seeds, because I have like just tons of different types of lettuce and herbs, and I'm not ready to start like the sunflowers and the peas and the beans and stuff yet, but that's coming up soon. As you can see, all my cracky basil. Come on, show the cracky basil. You have to kind of like look behind me because it's swimming while I live. It's doing amazing. I come in here and harvest this, and I'm gonna make some pesto or something, maybe like day after tomorrow. So that's what we got going on here at Urban Homesteads of Compton.